Man, crazy. Alright guys, so right now it is 4:14 and you guys can see some raindrops. Right now we went to Smart and Final and there was like a lot of dust. Like even when I was turning on the stop sign, there was so much dust coming towards my truck from the freeway that literally the truck almost hit me right now. And it's starting to sprinkle, so we don't know how bad it probably get here or not. Hopefully it doesn't, but I mean, only God knows. So pretty much this is right now. You guys can see the trees. No. There guys, I don't know if you guys can see the people. Oh, I have both the windshield wipers, but they're waiting because they don't want to go out.
Okay, should I go?
No, let me drop it off in the front.
I'll run.
No, you're on your shit.
I'll run it.
This kid, I told him to wait. People are in for the ride. So we came to Walmart and there's people running. We've seen trees on the ground already. I think I seen my husband snap the neighbor's tree also fell. So you can see little, how messed up windshield there. So there's a lot of like parts of the trees breaking off. There's people running to the store, running out of the store, and there's people waiting in the front for the ride. So I'm gonna go back over there because I don't have my phone, so I have to go get close over there to the pickup to get hotspot, so my son can tell me when he's gonna come out so we don't get wet. Hey guys, so I didn't think it was gonna rain right now that we got out, but it's literally just like raining out here, and it's crazy because right now it's like still summer or whatever, but I'm not trying to be close to these trees right now because there's a lot of broken, falling trees right now. So I'm just waiting for my son Joel to tell me when he's already gonna get out so I can go park in the front, because I don't want him to get wet. And then the dust was really bad earlier. He said it got in his eyes. Literally we're just 10 minutes of one Smart and Final and bam, it just started raining. Pero ay no, a ver qué tanto cae el agua. Alright guys, so it's starting to rain a bit harder. I don't know if you guys can hear it. Hopefully this kid doesn't take long because I'm trying to go home already. I didn't know it was going to rain right now. I thought honestly it was going to rain more at night. Alright guys, so as you can see, it just stopped raining right now at 4:45. And I'm going to pick up Joel already. It took forever. I guess there's a lot of people. So I'm gonna come pick him up in the front. But at least it stopped raining. Tell what's going on with the sky. Damn, crazy. One tree down, another tree down. Coming live from Delano, California. It is currently 4:49 and it has started raining. we'll keep you guys updated if it keeps on raining. This is Sandra Mendez. Thanks for watching. I just got home and it's starting to rain again. Oh hell no, you can hear the thunder. What's the matter? It's raining harder now.
It's all California right now.
Alright guys, we're coming back reporting from Delano, California. As you guys can see, it is raining more. Look at the weather. Look at the people running to the cars. It is literally raining more. Hurricane Hilary is coming. Well, hopefully it doesn't come as strong and it's just a little type of rain that we get, but who knows how much damage this is going to cause to us field workers that work in the grate. But this is all I had to say. Reporting live from Delano, California, Sandra Mendez. Alright guys, it is Sunday morning around almost 10 o'clock. And right now, it's still calm right now, but suppose it's gonna start raining around 11. But it seems very, very quiet, like the calm before the storm. So let's see. I'll update later on. Alright guys, so it is 11:46 and it is currently raining again here in Delano. It's not raining literally hard, but it is kind of raining, so let's see if it does get worse later. Here I am getting some new wipers because my wipers suck. And if it does rain hard, well, it doesn't even clean the damn window.